Nice meeting you too. Here's the girl at East Valley. There are a line of people standing here waiting to meet her. Look at her. She's real cute. She's very sweet. Her tail's broken. Her nipples are tight as a tack. I'm going to guess she's 6 months old. Teeth are white, white, white. Yeah, show us your teethies. Look at those teeth. I don't see any baby teeth, but she is definitely a baby. She's not very tall. I doubt that she's even 28 at the shoulder right now. So but she's long. She's definitely got some growing to do. And she's available Friday morning at 8 a.m. for adoptions. Yeah, come up here and let's see your pretty face. She's so sweet. Maybe if I throw a treat back in the kennel, she'll go back into the kennel and we can see her a little bit more. Yeah, look here. Look here. Look here. Well, throwing it back in the kennel might be easier said than done. Looks to me like we're going to get it right here at the kennel. Yes. I can find a way to... Well, I did get it in there. Not back where I wanted it, so that you could really see her. Let me try that again. I got one behind her. There's one behind you. Did you see it? There's one behind you. Yeah, did you see it? You just want another one. Well, there's one in your kennel. Yes, go look in your kennel. Good girl. That's what I want. So we can see you. She has pretty markings, and she just wants another treat. And she has bluish eyes. They're blue-brown. They're not really blue or brown. I'm not sure what color her eyes are going to be. She's very sweet. She's just a puppy. And now she's caught in a cage. Okay, that's the girl at East Valley.